Workheld helps you to simplify manufacturing processes and accelerate throughput times. The basis for this is the digital production order, which you can create in Workheld or transfer from your ERP system. Using drag and drop, you can carry out the detailed planning of the orders and conveniently assign workers, tools, and material to the orders. Individual operations thus become work instructions that support the worker. The working time per job is simply recorded by start-stop timer and can be reported back to the ERP system for each worker individually or collectively per job. Quality confirmations are conveniently made by photo and digital checklist. Your employees are mobile and terminals in production are a thing of the past. With Workheld, not only is confirmation on the production order child's play, but the documented QM information is automatically available in the order history. The production progress can be tracked in real time via the status dashboard, and delays or defects are immediately visible. Take a step into the future with us. Our Workheld experts will support you with digitalization and adapt Workheld precisely to your application without much effort.